Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video where we explore a special plant that thrives in the harshest of environments, the cactus. When people think of cactus, they often imagine hot deserts, tumbleweeds, and sharp thorns. However, did you know that some types of cactus are not only edible, but also have significant health benefits? In this video, we explore the surprising health benefits of cactus, especially the Nopal cactus, which has been a staple of the Latin American diet for centuries. Let's dig in. 1. Lower cholesterol. Scientific studies have shown that consuming the Nopal cactus can help lower cholesterol levels. A study conducted at the University of Vienna found that eating cactus leaves reduced cholesterol in participants. French researchers also support this claim after an experiment involving 68 women who consumed Nopal cactus for 4 weeks showed a significant decrease in their cholesterol and fat levels. Since high cholesterol is a leading cause of heart disease, adding Nopal cactus to your diet may be a natural way to support heart health. 2. Helps control diabetes. One of the most important benefits of Nopal cactus is its potential role in controlling diabetes. High blood sugar levels can lead to serious conditions like diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Research shows that consuming Nopal cactus can help regulate blood sugar levels. In a study by the University of Vienna, 24 participants who ate Nopal cactus had an 11% reduction in blood sugar. This suggests that Nopal may be beneficial for people struggling with diabetes or insulin resistance. 3. Potential anti-cancer properties. The Nopal cactus is rich in phenolic compounds and flavonoids, two powerful antioxidants known to protect healthy cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals contribute to a variety of diseases, including cancer. According to the journal Plant Foods for Human Nutrition, bioactive compounds in the Nopal cactus may slow the growth of cancer cells in the colon, liver, breast, and prostate without harming healthy cells. Although more research is needed, these findings highlight the cactus's potential as a natural aid in cancer prevention. 4. Supports digestive health. Digestive issues affect millions of people worldwide, but the Nopal cactus may be the solution. The plant is high in fiber, which aids digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes gut health. It also helps the body retain water, prevents dehydration, and improves bowel movements. Additionally, the fiber in Nopal cactus can help remove toxins and carcinogens from the digestive tract, supporting overall health. 5. Supports weight control. For those looking to lose weight, Nopal cactus can be a great addition to a healthy diet. It is low in calories but packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. With 17 amino acids, 8 of which are essential, the cactus provides energy while keeping calorie intake low. A 100-gram serving of Nopal contains just 16 calories, making it a great food for weight control. 6. Protects brain cells. Nopal cactus contains quercetin 3-methyl, a flavonoid known for its neuroprotective effects. This compound helps protect brain cells from damage and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Protecting neurons is important for maintaining cognitive function and preventing conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 7. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and digestive disorders. Nopal cactus contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that support muscle health, cardiovascular function, and digestive health. Its flavonoids also help neutralize harmful compounds in the body, reducing pain and swelling. Some studies suggest that Nopal may even help prevent ulcers and reduce the migration of white blood cells to inflamed areas. 8. Strengthening bone and joint health. Cactus has the effect of supporting pain relief. Prickly cactus can treat lower back pain, spinal spurs, or relieve pain with chemicals thanks to flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant effects on cells. According to traditional medicine, Cactus has the effect of clearing heat, detoxifying, and relieving pain. When treating joint pain, you should use cactus, rabbit ear cactus, prickly pear cactus, or three-sided cactus. These types have thick cake, few thorns, and many substances. 9. The effect of cactus in antivirus work. Cacti, including prickly pear cactus, have properties against some viruses such as herpes simplex virus, HSV, respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, helping to inhibit the replication of the virus. 10. Effect of enhancing the resistance of cactus. Horse fruit is rich in vitamin C, a vitamin that plays an important role in the body's development process, such as iron absorption, wound healing, tissue recovery in the body, and at the same time, absorbing vitamin C leads to increased white blood cell production, helping to eliminate pathogens. 11. Cactus reduces nausea, hangover. Cactus fruit can improve symptoms of nausea, hangover after drinking alcohol. A test conducted by the Tulane Health Sciences Center on 55 healthy adult volunteers took prickly pear cactus extract 5 hours before drinking alcohol. The results showed that people who drank prickly pear cactus juice before drinking alcohol were less drunk than those who did not drink or took a placebo. At the same time, symptoms of nausea, dry mouth, and loss of appetite were also significantly reduced in users. Therefore, prickly pear cactus extract can reduce the symptoms of hangover in the body after drinking alcohol. Stomach ulcers. Nutritious dishes made with cactus. Nopal cactus is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various delicious and healthy dishes. Here are some of the best ways to enjoy it. Grilled nopal. Fresh nopal pads can be grilled and served with lime juice, salt, and chili powder for a flavorful side dish. Nopal salad. Sliced nopal can be mixed with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime juice for a refreshing and nutritious salad. Nopal juice. Blended with citrus fruits like orange or lime, nopal juice is a hydrating drink rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Nopal tacos. Cooked nopal strips can be added to tacos along with avocado, beans, and cheese for a tasty and healthy meal. Nopal soup. Sliced nopal can be added to soups, enhancing flavor while providing valuable nutrients. Scrambled eggs with nopal. Sautéed nopal mixed with eggs creates a protein-rich breakfast with added fiber and vitamins. Conclusion. Cactus is more than just a resilient desert plant. It is a nutritional powerhouse with remarkable health benefits. From lowering cholesterol and managing blood sugar to protecting the brain and reducing inflammation, Nopal cactus proves to be an incredible natural remedy. If you haven't already, consider incorporating Nopal cactus into your diet in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried cactus and how you like to enjoy it. See you in the next video.